Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to create a program that will print a document from your computer, and it'll do it to a wireless computer and it will detect the wireless printer. So before you start, you need to install Pywin32 or pip install Pywin32. So you can do that on your system or that. And then once you've done that, you need to import these two modules here. Okay, let's start off. Let's create a function called print file. And the path is going to equal input, then simply enter full path. Okay, so full path could be something like this. So for me, if I had a document on my desktop, it would be C:/users mark desktop. Right, so that's the path to my desktop, and then the file I want to print would be, I don't know, let's just say something like file.docx, which is a Word file. So that's what we would type into there, into that box. Okay. And sorry, that's the, not that one, sorry. We just want to type in the path to the desktop. We'll deal with the file in a minute. So that's all we need to type in, the path to where your file is. Okay, then what we do is we're going to do os.chddir. So we're going to change to that path, and then we're going to create a variable called docname, assign it to input, and simply file name. So if you type in the file name after that, let's say something like, oh, what's up there? Okay, let's say something like file.docx to there. So whatever file it is you want to open, this is a docx, which is a Word file. And then we're going to print out a message to the user saying print please wait. And then we're going to create a variable called printer name. I'm going to assign that to win32 print dot get, and this is going to be get default printer. Okay, so basically this is going to detect your printer, especially if it's a network printer. I tested this on a network printer at work, so through their Wi-Fi connection, so this does work. Unfortunately I won't be able to test it here because I don't have a printer, but I tested this at work and it does work. So we do win32 API dot shell, and that should be shell execute. Then we've got a few parameters here, so starting with 0, then print, then docname, then none, finally with the 0. So that will print your document, and then all you have to do is call the program by its name, print file. Okay, so you should be good to go with that. I'll just run over this. Printer name, Win32 print, get default printer, Win32 API, execute it so it prints off your document name. Okay, so that's just about it. I hope you enjoyed that little program, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.